This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use GitHub zip files. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, downloading and using GitHub repositories as zip files can be a handy way to access code without needing to clone it directly to your local machine. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process. First and foremost, make sure you're viewing the branch you want. When you land on a GitHub repository, it typically defaults to the main or master branch. The branch is essentially a version of the code base, and selecting the right one is crucial if you're looking for specific updates or features. You'll find the branch selection dropdown near the top left of the repositories page, just above the list of files. Click on it to view all available branches and select the one you need. This ensures that you're downloading the exact version of the project you're interested in. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct branch, look for the bright green code button. This is located at the top right of the file directory grid. It's hard to miss, as it stands out quite prominently. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu tray with several options related to downloading or cloning the repository. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Download Zip at the bottom. Click this, and your browser will immediately start downloading the entire codebase as a zip file. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. Instead of dealing with Git commands or worrying about version control conflicts, you get a snapshot of the repository exactly as it is at that moment. The downloaded file will land in your computer's Downloads folder by default, unless you have set your browser to save files elsewhere. You'll notice that it's a single, compressed file, containing all the files and folder hierarchies from the repository. This structure is preserved, making it easy to navigate through the project just as you would on GitHub. Now that you have the zip file, you'll need to extract it. Most operating systems have built-in tools to handle this. On Windows, you can right-click the zip file and select Extract All. On macOS, simply double-click the file and it will automatically decompress into a folder. If you're using Linux, you can use the terminal command unzip followed by the file name. Once extracted, you'll have a complete, local copy of the repository that you can start working with or exploring right away. And there you have it. Downloading a GitHub repository as a zip file is not only quick and easy, but also an incredibly effective way to access and review code. This method is particularly useful if you're working on a project where you only need to make a few changes, or if you're looking to explore new projects without diving into version control systems. Remember, this is just one of the many ways to interact with repositories on GitHub. As you grow more comfortable with the platform, you might explore other methods like cloning with Git for more extensive collaboration or version tracking. But for now, downloading as a zip file is a great place to start, and it's a tool you'll likely return to time and again for its simplicity and efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.